Welcome to the module Walk the Ramp. Yes, girl, by now you have already learned different things about makeup, fitness, building curves, fashion, feminine body movements, voice, and so many different things. You also know how your mind works and how it can be reprogrammed so that you can build that positive confidence in order to face the world. But the question is, despite knowing all these things, what if we go and face the world, we go and tell people about who we are, we come out and finally be who we are, and we are faced with so many objections and so many, people saying so many different things. That can become a challenge, right? So, in this module, which is one of the most important modules of this entire program, you will learn how you can talk to people, how you can deal with people, how you can overcome anything or any objections or any difficult situations or any difficult questions that they ask you. You will learn how to communicate in a way so that they are able to understand and support you. I am very excited for this program. I hope you take the best out of it. Let's get started.